Hello everyone, welcome to SSC. In the previous topic, we are discussed about the nomenclature of haloalkanes and halogens, and also we will discuss the nature of a C-bond X. In this video, we will discuss about how to prepare haloalkane from alcohol. So first, preparation from alcohol. First, if you look at this reaction, you can see the Rx, that is alkyl halides, can be obtained by the reacting of ROH. ROH means that is alcohol group when reacts with suitable reagents. And the commonly reagents are, that is concentration of halogen acid, that is HX. X is the halides group, and phosphorus halide, that is PX5 or PX3, and last is thionyl chloride, that is SOCl2. In this section, I will discuss how the concentration of a halogen acid, that is HX, reacts with alcohol to form corresponding haloalkanes. First, the reaction of alcohols with halogen acid. When alcohol reacts with halogen acid in the presence of catalyst to form corresponding alkyl halides and water. So you can see this picture, that is ROH, that is alcohol, plus HX, that is halogen acid, in the presence of catalyst give rise to alkyl halides and water. But the mechanism of the particular reaction is in the presence of halogen acid to the OH group of alcohol get protonucleated and give rise to the carbocation, intermediary carbocation. In the next step, the corresponding of X minus of that halogen acid will attach to the carbocation and giving rise to the corresponding alkyl halides. Next, now the alcohol can be primary, secondary and tertiary alcohol, we know, but we already know that when the primary and secondary alcohol reacts with the halogen acid, it gives rise to unstable primary and secondary carbocation. So in this case, we add catalyst like ZnCl2. Why? Because we know that OH is not a very much living group. So ZnCl2 coordinate lone pair of electron form oxygen atom and form a complex which is now better living group. So we can understand this mechanism. So that's why in the primary and secondary alcohol, when reacts with halogen acid, that is in the figure, halogen acid, we use ZnCl2 to get the corresponding alkyl halides. Given in this picture, we will see this, that is CH3CH2 plus OH, that is plus HX, that is as given in the presence of ZnCl2, that is the form of alkyl halides and water. But we can also know that the tertiary alcohol reacts with HCl or alkyl halides. There is no require of a catalyst here, because we know that the tertiary carbocation is more stable and chlorine can directly attack to the carbocation to get the corresponding alkyl halides. Repeating again, first we know in the tertiary alcohol reacts with HCl or alkyl halides, there is no require of a catalyst because the tertiary carbocation is more stable and chlorine can directly attach to the carbocation to get corresponding alkyl halides. You must remember that. Next, another important thing we note here, the reactivity of a halogen acid in the particular reaction, that is HI, is greater reactivity than HPr, than HCl, and followed by HF. Why? It's just because of we know that the HI bond strength is very weak, so that it can be easily to obtain Hi plus and I minus, and in the form of HF having very weak, very strong bond length, and it cannot be broken easily. So that's why the Hi is greater reactivity than HBr, than HCl, and followed by HF. And also in the form of alcohol in the particular reactions, the tertiary alcohol is greater reactivity than secondary and followed by primary. It's just because of the tertiary alcohol to form much stable tertiary carbocation. So hence it will highly reactivity towards the particular reactions. In this particular we will discuss how to obtain haloalkanes. But is it possible to obtain haloarenes from phenol? That is not possible. That's not possible, because so in this figure we can easily, because the COH bond in the phenyl structure contain partially double bond character because of the continuously delocalization of a pair of electrons present in the oxygen atom of the benzene ring. So that's why the haloarenes do not form the reaction of with the halogen acid, halo or halo acids. मेरी वीडियो अच्छी लगे तो लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब कीजिए. सो थैंक यू.